Hi, I'm here at Onyx Corporation in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today we're going to look at how to reset a Brother drum and a Brother HL-2320. So, first thing you got to do is open up the front door. Once the front door is open, you're going to pull out the toner and drum cartridge. On the toner and drum cartridge, you're going to push down on this little green tab and lift the toner out. So then once you got your new drum, you're going to replace the toner back into the new drum. Make sure it clicks into place. There's a little green tab at the top of the drum cartridge. You're going to slide that back and forth 2 or 3 times, making sure that you wind back up where the 2 arrows point at each other. Then you're going to slide your toner and drum combo right back inside the printer. Leave the door open. Then you're going to press and hold the go button until these little LED lights on the side of the printer light up. You'll see all of them light up, and once they do, you let go of the go button. Take about 4 seconds. You're going to go ahead and close the door, and that's it. That's all it takes to reset your Brother drum.